Hi everyone, my name is Caitlin and I work for Crystal Cove Conservancy, the nonprofit partner of Crystal Cove State Park. Welcome to our Owl Limpet Environmental Challenge. Crystal Cove Conservancy partners with Crystal Cove State Park resource managers and other local groups to set up ecological research projects in different areas of the park. We work with volunteers and students to monitor how the park's ecosystems are changing. And then we share that data with the state park environmental scientists so that they can make better decisions about how to protect the plants and animals here. We want your help to analyze some of this data and help us better understand how to protect our park's diverse natural resources. For our very first environmental challenge, we wanted to see if you'd help us with a data set from our tide pools. Several years ago, a group that we are a part of called the Orange County Marine Protected Area Council set up a long-term monitoring project to track the population of owl limpets across Orange County. Owl limpets are a type of sea snail that live on the rocks in the tide pools. For the past couple of years, we've been working with students from Orange Coast College to collect data on the number and size of owl limpets at two different sites here in Crystal Cove State Park. One of these sites is located close by to the very busy Crystal Cove Historic District, as you can see behind me, and it's visited by a lot of people throughout the year. The other site, which is located near Pelican Point at the north end of the park, is only accessible at a very low tide, so it gets really not very many visitors. We're hoping that by comparing the data from a high-impact site to a low-impact site, we'll be able to get a sense of whether park visitors are impacting animals in the tide pools. That's where we need your help. We want you to help us collect data, analyze, and graph the data that we have collected here at Crystal Cove State Park so that we can see if there are any evidence of humans affecting the owl limpet population here. As you go through the resources on our website, you'll get to learn a little bit more about owl limpets and our monitoring project, and then make a hypothesis about whether you think there will be a difference between the two sites. Next, you'll join me in the tide pools virtually to help me collect data on our owl limpet populations. And finally, you will need to decide how to analyze the raw data that we do have shared with you using a program like Google Sheets. Once you graph and analyze the data, we would love for you to share your findings back with us again so that we can share them with the state park. Thank you again for all of your help in advance. We're really looking forward to seeing what you find.